Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors. And right now, we'll be discussing about the text color. We'll be discussing about CSS text color. You can set the color of text like this. This text right here, this LO is having different color, another one is having different color, and all this one also having green color. So we can set color. So how can we set color? So quickly, let's get back to our document. This is our document in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the background color, and right now we are going to use text color. To use text color, this is how it works. Let me show you what we have been doing so far. As you can see, here is our h1, h2, h3 p tag and the h4 tag, right? Don't you forget, where we were discussing about background color, we said we are going to use this property. This is background color property. To use background color, you are going to specify background color using this. So you say now we want to change our text color. Instead of having background, we want to change this, all this top 10 strength CSS color. We want to change all this text you are seeing right here. We want to change the color of it. As you can see, let's check our document. Right here we are having black color automatically. When we highlight it, we are having white, right? And when we you can see this one is having black color, but when we highlight it, it's changed to white. As you can see, this one also, all these colors, it's all white, right? So now let's change the color to another thing. Right here, what we are going to do is that we are going to use color. And don't you forget, we can use multiple declarations. In our previous tutorial where we discussed about CSS declarations, we have discussed about this, that you can use multiple declarations in your CSS. As you can see, this is our selector. We have selected our h1 tag and we want to use another declaration, and we are going to use color declaration. This color declarations, you are going to have your color property like this. After the color property, then you can specify the color you want to use. Yeah, let's give it color of deep pink. Yes, let's save our document and see what we show. Now reload. Can you see our text is now changed to what? Deep pink. Can you see it's all changed to deep pink? Let's change this playlist also, because this playlist is also inside our h1 tag. That's why it's also changed to pink, right? Now we can specify another color for it. So let's go back to our span tag and give it a color, a different color. Let's give it black, or let's give it gray. Let's give it gray color. The color text going to be, can you see it turned to gray, right? When we highlight it, can you see? And we can give it color white. Let's give it white, color white. So let's save our document and reload. Can you see when we reload it changed to white, and all this one changed to pink? And can you see when we highlight it, you can be able to see everything. So you can specify different colors for all these text. As you can see, this CSS background color also right here is having black color, right? Let's change the color to another thing. Let's change this one. Let's change the color using this color, and let's change this one to aqua. Let's save our document and reload. Let's reload. Can you see this is now aqua, right? Aqua color. Let's change it to red. Let's change it to red so you can see. Let's reload. Can you see it changed to red? So that's how you can change your whatsoever color. Now let's use the property again. Yeah, use it here. Use aquamarine, or yes, let's use aquamarine there. No, let's use blue. Let's just use blue directly, and come here, use another color. I'm just showing you the use case of it, and later I'm going to show you another thing. Yeah, let's use green here, and let's use color, another color right here. Now, what can we use here? Let's find some color. can have another color. Let's use fuchsia. So let's reload our document now. Can you see the colors change? So because before we have color black color, but now we have changed it to different colors, as you can see. So you can do anything with colors. So I'm going to show you this again so you can be able to understand what we are talking about. Delete all this. Inside here, let's save our document now and reload. Can you see we reload our document? Our color right here is black, right? Now all this black color, we want to change it at once. We want to give our text different colors. So but we want to give all of it another colors. So let's say we can change the color to another thing. Now let's select h1 in our CSS selector playlist. You can check our CSS selector playlist to be able to follow along with this. So h2, we don't know how we can select things. So h3 and also p tag. We want to select p tag. What else can we select? We want to select our h4 tag. So we have h1, h2, h3, h4 and the p tag, right? So now let's shift and create color. Let's create color by using this color property, this color. Then after you are going to specify this color property is the one that we are using right now. Let's save our document first so you can see what will happen. Can you see nothing is displayed right here for now? But now let's specify this colon. After this colon, you can write your value. Let's give it any color we want. We can give it let's give it red first. Yes, let's reload our document. Can you see everything turns red, right? So because we select these multiple elements, then we give it color. They all have color of red. Now let's give it green. Reload. Can you see? Let's give it blue. Reload. Can you see? Let's give it white. So you can see, you will not see anything there again. Can you see? Everything turns white. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see when we select? Can you see? It is there, but it is white because we give it white. So that's what I want you to know about it. And you can select every item itself like this and give them different color. You can give this one green, h1 green, h2 color green, red, h3 color blue, color blue, h4. You can select it one by one in this manner. So I'm doing this for the beginners so that you can be able to use this in a reasonable way. As you can see, h4 also can have another color. You can give it yellow. Let's give it yellow green, and you can select your p tag also. P tag can also have another color. Can have gray color, gray. So let's save our document so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see? We gave them different colors. Can you see? It's all having different colors. So this is our color property. As you can see, I've shown you different ways we can use it. Now you can start using it. So anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Now, next tutorial. Have a great